We cannot deny that there is a brilliant fan base for the thriller movies all around the world. Hey, this is Anne from Anflix. Today let's count down our picks for the top 10 best South Indian thriller movies. Subscribe to Anflix and click the bell icon for more fascinating updates. 22 Female Kottayam. A young nurse is betrayed by her lover and sexually assaulted by his employer. After she is released from prison, she sets out to take revenge on them. This flick is a brave attempt. The cast in this movie have done a great job and also carries fantastic narration and screenplay. This flick will really live up your expectation. Do watch this brilliant and socially committed movie without fail. Rangi Taranga. A novelist and his wife visit her ancestral house after she experienced some continuous nightmares. Later, some unnatural occurrence unfolds the mystery about their forgotten past. This flick is one of the greatest mystery thriller in the history of Indian cinema. It has an amazing direction, editing, music and BGM. The rich and vibrant cultures are greatly portrayed here, and all you can expect is some unexpected twists. And on the whole, this flick is worth watching. Mumbai Police. A man manages to track down his friend's killer when he meets with an accident resulting in partial memory loss. Soon, he is reassigned to investigate the murder and find the culprit. It's another gem of the Malayalam film industry. The writing, direction, acting are excellent. If you want to watch the best investigation thriller, I highly do recommend this flick to you. Lucia. A person struggles to deal with severe insomnia, but his life changes when he is tricked into buying a drug which leads to daydreaming. One of the best attempts ever made in Kannada films. Nothing is abundant or lacking. All scenes are chiseled to perfection and the ending leaves you in total satisfaction. And is a heartwarming movie for sure. You can also feel the flavors of your Christopher Nolan's movie. Anyways, the full-fledged entertainment is assured here. Memories. A police officer is addicted to alcohol to ease the pain of his family's death, but his life turns around when he is called to investigate a series of murders. This flick has a mind-blowing story, direction and acting, and thrills you with its astonishing twists and suspense in the climax. The director's narration maintains a good hold till the end, that which makes the flick so brilliant. Durvangal Padinar. A couple dies under mysterious circumstances and the inspector is assigned to the case. But he loses one of his legs during this investigation, which leads to the end of his career. This flick has an impressive storyline with well-maintained pace and grip. The screenplay is prize-worthy with its great cinematography. This film is not gonna bore you for a single moment. Drishyam. A man lives a happy life with his wife and daughters. However, things take a turn for the worse when the family commits an accidental crime, leaving him to protect them and their secret. It is one of the astounding Malayalam film with few heartbreaking plots which makes you upside down. This movie is really out of box. Hit. A police officer with a personal tragedy puts his feelings aside and focuses on the investigation of a missing girl. It is a wonderful and exhilarating flick with well-developed screenplay and cinematography. The sound effects are marvelous and all the artists have portrayed their roles very well, especially the lead. Anjam Padira. A consulting criminologist helps the Kerala police every now and then. When a string of serial killing happens, he races against the time to find the one responsible for it. This movie is based on more than one true story reference and has a horrific BGM, truly gripping script and sensational performance. Rachasan. Rachasan is a competent Tamil thriller for the most part, in which the serial killer is murdering schoolgirls and the newbie cop has to track him down before the victim count increases. It has a unique backstory with good visuals, spooky music and tight editing, which amps up the tension and keeps us in the edge of the seat. We believe that we have given you the best thriller list today. If you do like it, give us a big thumbs up and mention your favorite thriller flick in the comments below and share it to your friends if they are movie lovers too. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to Anflix and hit the bell for more interesting updates. I'll meet you with another best handpicked list. Until then, this is Anne signing off.